When chlorine gas reacts with a metallic element to form an ionic compound, we say that chlorine is A. oxidized, B. reduced, C. the reducing agent. When a metallic element combines with a non-metallic element to form a compound, the compound is expected to be ionic. The positive ions, or cations, will come from the atoms of a metallic elements, while the negative ions, the anions, come from the atoms of the non-metallic element. Chlorine is a nonmetal. Therefore, in ionic compounds, we expect chlorine to form negative ions. In fact, by now you should know that the naturally occurring ions from the chlorine atom, called chloride, have a -1 charge. Therefore, when chlorine gas reacts with a metallic element, we expect to see the conversion of diatomic chlorine molecules into chloride ions. Since a chlorine molecule is electrically neutral, and the two chloride ions each have the charge of -1, we can say that each chlorine atom in the diatomic chlorine molecule essentially gained 1 electron, or we say that 2 electrons are gained by the atoms of the chlorine molecule. Reduction is defined as the gain of electrons. Therefore, we say that chlorine is reduced, not oxidized. The correct answer is choice B. In a reduction-oxidation reaction, the reactant that is reduced is the oxidizing agent. Here, chlorine is the oxidizing agent, not the reducing agent. The reactant that is oxidized is the reducing agent. In other words, choice A and choice C are either both correct or both incorrect. Here, they are both incorrect. Metallic elements tend to be good reducing agents because they tend to be readily oxidized. That is, their atoms tend to be oxidized, becoming positive ions. On the other hand, nonmetals like chlorine are good oxidizing agents. Their atoms tend to be reduced, becoming negative ions.